It is summer, it is hot, and that also means it is road trip season. We just survived, and I would say mostly thrived on a road trip from Texas to Colorado. And if you know Texas, it takes a long time to get across the state. So we had a 5-year-old and a 7-month-old join us on about a 14-hour drive split into 2 days. I'm Kelsey Baas, pediatric physical therapist, and I'm going to share with you how we thrived on this road trip without screens. The first system. And so this Munchkin Bricka car organizer caddy, I almost always have it in the trunk with diapers and changes of clothes, but for the road trip, I placed it right in between the 2 car seats, and our 5-year-old was able to reach in and grab things, or if there were things I needed, quick reach back and hand it to the kids. So how we survived, we always had changes of clothes, extra diapers, changing pad ready to go. I threw this in there. We didn't need it with our 5-year-old, but when we had done road trips when he was newly potty training, it definitely is nice to have a little travel potty. We even once had to use it when there was standstill traffic. We were not able to move an inch, and this came in very handy. So if you're road tripping, make sure to have all your changes of clothes, diapers, things like that very easily accessible so you're not digging through bags. Then on the other side is where I kept our road trip entertainment. I don't have all of it in here. We can link everything we used in our store. For the baby, I loved soft toys like this. This is a Moby Wigloo toy. But if you watched any of our segments with Kendra, you know that in the car, we want to be careful if you were to get on the wreck or slam on the brakes, anything with sharp edges or that's really hard could hurt our kids. So we're looking for soft toys like this. I do let my older one have some Magnetiles. I love this Magnetile travel kit because they can build with a built-in surface right here. And it's not as big as the Hack with like a cookie pan or something like that, because if you're traveling with multiple kids, you're also trying to fit a lot of things in the car. So more compact is going to be better. Travel pinball was actually a huge hit for our 5-year-old. This is a really fun one. If anyone in Waco knows where a traditional pinball machine is, let me know, because we were trying to explain it to Scotty and he had no idea what we meant. And then we also had your traditional coloring books, puzzles, different games for Scotty. I love the water coloring books that aren't going to make a mess in your car. And we did have a lunchbox slid in with snacks, so he could grab snacks whenever he wanted. He could grab toys, and then it was easy access for me to hand toys to the baby as he got bored. Other tips for road trips: make sure to plan out stops. It's going to go a lot better if you like to get energy out and let your kids get energy out. So we found parks along the way. We always got out of the car to eat our meals. We didn't do the fast food drive-through. Shout out to Quanah, Texas. That was the best roadside stop we found. Texas 10 should definitely take a look at it. It was full of a great park, monkey bars, everything, snacks, clean bathrooms. So be prepared with things to do and changes of clothes. Plan out your rest stops and get out of the car for meals. Your kids are going to be much happier if you stop every couple hours. That did mean we split our trip into 2 days, but we stopped at a great halfway point. So comment below your favorite road trips. Traveling with can be fun if you're prepared. I still call it a trip, not a vacation, but I hope you'll have lots of fun trips planned this summer.